Hello everybody, welcome to this short video on the questions and answers and the rationale under the project definition section. So the first question is how many cells are in a 4-level logical framework matrix? And this is one of these questions that you know or you don't, but as the matrix is a 4 by 4 matrix, the correct answer is 16. Okay, a goal level indicator. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Number of latrines constructed, type of commodities, so A and B if you like. These are activity output type indicators, so we can reduce those. So next we get a C and D. Well, you can see that the correct answer is the third one, a percentage reduction in morbidity. And look at the fourth one, a percentage increase in per capita consumption of water. This is so general, it's almost meaningless. People drink more. Sometimes it can help to translate development language into something normal. All this says is that more people drink more. Well, it doesn't mean anything. So the correct answer is C. What is the correct order, the hierarchical order of the logical framework model? Now, this is where you have to read questions carefully from highest level to lowest level. So immediately we can rule out B and D because we know that the highest level is the goal. So that's going to make it either C or A. So again, good exam technique can be really helpful. And then it's one of those things, you know the model or not. It's goal, outcomes, outputs, activities. Activities is the lowest level. So the correct answer is C. Now, what is the best example of a smart indicator? So again, you can see the answer here. Year 2, 500 farmers, 70% higher. It's specific, it's measurable, etc., etc., etc. Okay, A, well, it's not really an indicator at all. It's more of an objective statement. Now, this might be part of an indicator, but it's far from smart. And the whole thing is saying, well, which cultivation, what do we mean by improved, what do we mean by increased, etc., etc. Let's look at this one. During year 1 of the project, staff will establish model plots, how many, where, what do we mean by improved, etc., etc. Not smart. And last of all, training is sufficient. This isn't an indicator at all, it's an assumption. So, correct answer is C. And then finally, I'll just move this out of the way. Select the missing words. Again, need to read carefully. The something define the horizontal logic of the logical framework matrix and create an if-then logic combined with the activities, outputs, outcomes, and goal. So we look at this, and again, the means of verification is simply, well, where you get information from. The indicators is how you know something has happened or not. So again, it's easy to rule those out. And that leaves us on to C and B. Now, the correct answer is assumptions. Okay, great. But I want to just mention this. Objectives is not part of the Project D Pro logical framework model. If you see an answer which is not part of Project D Pro, it is wrong. Every question, every answer, well, every right answer is taken from the guide. Anyway, I hope this helps. Bye for now.